Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, caps lock key stuck fix how to write in lowercase again Windows 11, 10. First method is type on screen keyboard in Windows search bar, click on screen keyboard. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Time and Language. Click Typing. Click Advanced Keyboard Settings. Click Language Bar Options. Click Advanced Key Settings. To run off caps lock, press the Shift key, click Apply, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.